Hello friends, first of all welcome to my video lecture. Today we are going to discuss a topic which is named as binary subtraction using 1s complement. Okay, the direct binary subtraction becomes complicated as the number size increases. Therefore, we can represent the subtraction of a minus b in the form of addition a plus in bracket minus b. We can represent number b which is to be subtracted, okay, in its 1s complement or 2s complement form and use addition instead of subtraction to get the result of a minus b. Okay, now in this lecture we are seeing subtraction using 1s complement. The steps to be followed for subtraction a minus b using 1s complement are as follows. Step first, convert number to be subtracted b to its 1s complement form. Okay, next is the step second, perform the addition, means add a and 1s complement of b using the rules of binary addition. Okay, in these steps we are saying a and b are the two numbers. Okay, step 3, if final carry is 1, okay, if final carry is 1, then add it to the result of addition obtained in step second to get the final result of a minus b. Note that if the final carry is 1, then the subtraction is positive, okay, and in its true form. Okay, and next one is if the final carry produced in step second is 0, okay, carry is produced is 0, then the result obtained in step second is negative and in the 1s complement form. So, convert it into the true form. How? By complementing all the bits. Okay. Then next, the following example will make the concept of subtraction using 1s complement is clear. Okay. My example is perform 9 to the base 10 minus 4 to the base 10 using 1s complement method. Okay, its solution is, let's see, step first, convert 4. In this example, 9 is a and 4 is b. Okay, let us see a minus b. Step first, convert 4 into 4 to the base 10 into 1s complement. Okay, then first write down the binary equivalent of 4. Okay, let's say binary equivalent of 4 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 and its 1s complement is 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, next is the step second, add 9 to the base 10 and 1s complement of 4 to the base 10. Okay, write down the binary equivalent number of those. First, 9 to the base 10 equivalent is 1, 0, 0, 1. Add with 1s complement of 4 to the base 10. Add 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, let's say its result is 0, 1, 0, 0 with carry 1. Okay, means in this example 9 plus 4 is equal to how many? 9 plus 4. Let's see, binary equivalent of 9 and binary equivalent of 1s complement of 4. 1 plus 1 is answer is 0. 1 plus 1, answer is 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus carry 1 is equal to answer is 0 and carry is also 1. 0 plus 0 is answer is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Next 1 plus 1 is answer is 0 and carry is 1. It means final carry is generated in this example. Okay. Then next step third, add the final carry to the result obtained in step second. Okay. Then let's see 9 to the base 10 add with 1's complement of 4 to the base 10. 1001 add with 1011. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is also 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. And next 1 plus 1 answer is 0 with carry 1. Final carry is added in this result. Okay. Then answer is 0 plus 1 is also 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 as it is. Okay. Answer is, let's say, answer is positive and in the true form. Thus, the answer is 0, 1, 0, 1 to the base 2. It means 9 to the base 10 minus 4 to the base 10 is equal to 5 to the base 10, which is also equal to 0, 1, 0, 1 to the base 2, which we have obtained. When the final carry is produced, the answer is positive and in its true form. Okay. Let's see second example. Subtract 9 to the base 10 from 4 to the base 10 using 1's complement method. Okay. Write down the solution. First, write down the given. Given A is equal to 4 to the base 10, which is binary equivalent is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 to the base 2, and B is equal to 9 to the base 10 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Step first, obtain 1's complement of 9. Okay, we know that equivalent of binary equivalent of 9 is 1, 0, 0, 1 and its complement is 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Step second, add 4 to the base 10 and 1's complement of 9 to the base 10, which is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0 add with 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Let's see the addition. 0 plus 0 answer is 0. 0 plus 1 answer is 1. 1 plus 1 answer is 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 0, 0 and 0 plus 1 answer is 1. Okay. And its result is 1, 0, 1, 0. In this example, final carry is not generated. As the final carry is 0, the answer is negative. We know that. And in its 1's complement form. Okay. So, convert the answer into its true form as follows. Answer is 1, 0, 1, 0. Invert all the bits. Okay. If we invert, the answer is 0, 1, 0, 1. But 0, 1, 0, 1 is its decimal equivalent of 5. Then our answer is 4 to the base 10 minus 9 to the base 10 is equal to minus of 5 to the base 10. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.